integrity. And so Optiven is one of the organizations that I have seen. We practice honesty, whatever.
Inspiring ourselves, we are inspiring other entrepreneurs, business people to go across borders, that the business of today is bigger than business in Kenya. I am so happy that to see that various government, especially from East African Federation, they were able to collapse the borders and we are able to access about 281 million people. That's 281 million market. And we have a special appeal as Optiven, even on behalf of other entrepreneurs, business people, that for us to develop our country, for us to create jobs for our country, we must think beyond borders. And this evening, as we open our global office, we are asking the government that they can be able to negotiate, not only the Kenya government, even other East African government, they can be able to negotiate with different people managing various trade blocks. We have East African Federation, we have the SADC, that consists of about 370 million people. That means that if you combine these two blocks, these two trade blocks, we have about 700 million people market. And that's the only way that we can be able to develop Africa. Is the only way that entrepreneurs from African countries can be able to develop. And for us at Optiven, we are setting pace.